أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Dear students of 11th class Boys Higher Secondary School Nagri, dear students, we are discussing the different groups of Protostan algae and which comes under the kingdom Protista, and so far we have discussed the dinoflagellates, this euglenoids and diatoms, etc. And now today we will discuss the Protozoan Protists. These are also called animal-like. These are the animal-like Protists. So our today's topic is Protozoan Protists. So regarding this Protozoan Protists, this group includes 4 phyla. That means 4 phyla are present in this group. Number 1 is the zooflagellata or zooflagellates. Number 2 is the sarcodina or sarcodines. Number 3 group is the Sporozoa or Sporozoans. Number 4 is the Ciliata or Ciliates. So these are the 4 groups, 4 phyla of this group Protozoan Protists. These are the 4 phyla of this group Protozoan Protists. Number 1 zooflagellata, sarcodina, Sporozoa and Ciliata. So we will discuss these phyla one by one, but before dealing those phyla, first of all we will throw light upon the general characters of these Protozoan Protists. General characters. The first general character of these Protozoan Protists is they have worldwide distribution. That means they are found anywhere, everywhere. They are worldwide in distribution and may be aquatic, terrestrial, or parasitic. These Protozoan Protists are found everywhere on the earth. They may be aquatic, they may be found in water, they may be found on land, they may be parasitic, etc. This is the first general character of these Protozoan Protists. That is, they are found worldwide, they are aquatic, they are terrestrial, or they are parasitic. Number second general character is they are small, microscopic, unicellular, and colorless organisms. Small, microscopic, that means they are found under the microscope only, unicellular, one-celled, and colorless. They have no color, with different shapes. They have the different shapes, like they may be spherical, they may be oval, or they may be bell-shaped. The body of these Protozoan Protists is naked and it consists of uninucleate and multinucleate protoplasm. That means the protoplasm of these Protozoan Protists may be uninucleate, it can be multinucleate also, and is bounded by a delicate membrane or a firm pellicle or lorica or shell. Number third general character of these Protozoan Protists is they move with the help of pseudopodia. They move with the help of that is a locomotion. Locomotion is affected by pseudopodia, phallus feet, flagella, or cilia. So you should remember here that the Protozoan Protists have the locomotion by pseudopodia or flagella or cilia. Some parasitic forms are non-motile. Some parasitic forms of these Protozoan Protists are non-motile. That means they do not move. Number fourth general character is the mode of nutrition. The mode of nutrition is mainly holozoic, animal-like. That is animal-like. The mode of nutrition is mainly holozoic, but some forms are saprobic also. Now the respiration. Exchange of gases occurs through the general body surface. So respiration occurs through the general body surface. Number sixth general character is the contractile vacuole. Contractile vacuole maintains the water balance in the body. There is found a contractile vacuole in the body of these organisms, and that maintains the water balance in the body by removing the excess of water. Excess of water which enters into the cell in these organisms, that is removed by this contractile vacuole, and in this way it maintains the water balance in the body of the organism. Now the seventh character is the asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. Regarding the asexual reproduction, it occurs by binary fission, it can occur by multiple fission, or it can occur by budding, while the sexual reproduction occurs by syngamy and conjugation. Now, the examples of these protozoan protists are number one, trypanosoma, Trypanosoma, trypanosoma. Number second example can be leishmania, Leishmani, leishmania, and number third example of these protozoan protists is trichonympha, Trichonympha, trichonympha. So this was all about these protozoan protists. That is, in our today's lecture, we have seen that these protozoan protists are this grouped into four phyla, that is Zoophaligellata, Sarcodina, Sporozoa, and Ciliata. And after that, we have taken the general characters of these protozoan protists. So this was all about today's lecture. In our next lecture tomorrow, inshallah, we will take these four phyla of this group protozoan protists one by one. That is, we will take tomorrow, inshallah, Zoophaligellata. After that, we will take the Sarcodina, then Protosporozoa, and then Ciliata, and in this way we can complete these protozoan protists. So this was all about today's lecture. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you very much.